everyone, my name's Alfred.
And I'm Annalicia. And together we're Hands-on Higher Ed.
So many of you might be asking, why Hands-on Higher Ed and why now? Well, it's simple. I've been in the field of higher education for over 8 years at multiple different universities from the West Coast all the way to the East Coast. And during these 8 years, I've actually attended numerous conferences, looked at numerous books and magazines, and I'm constantly trying to read and learn to be a better professional in this field. But what I've never been able to do is get hands-on practical experience in a short time frame the way that I need it. That's why we've decided to create Hands-on Higher Ed so we can provide a practical guide to everything that you might need to know in this field.
We hope to cover topics such as career development, technology tools, organization, supervision, managing meetings, and really anything and everything that you all may want to see.
All right, folks, so with all that being said, we're definitely looking forward to bringing you lots of great content in the days, weeks, and months to come. We hope that each of you are going to join us on our channel and really enjoy your time and experience here as we make content for you.
So be sure to comment below on what kind of videos that you all would like to see us do, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and be sure to follow us on social media at Hands-on Higher Ed.